Verifying your identity on Pabbly is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. If your verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, email address, and any other personal details to confirm they match your official documents. Step 2. Review verification requirements. Visit Pabbly's official website to review the specific requirements for identity verification. Make sure you have the necessary documents ready, such as a government-issued ID or proof of address. Step 3. Resubmit your documents. If your initial verification failed, gather the required documents and resubmit them through the Pabbly verification portal. Ensure that the documents are clear, legible, and in the correct format as specified by Pabbly. Step 4. Contact customer support. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases or online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting your documents or contacting support, be patient as Pabbly processes your request. You will receive a confirmation email once your identity has been successfully verified or if further action is needed. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Pabbly. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from their support team.